How to transfer money from Grab to bank account Malaysia. So if you want to transfer money from Grab to bank account Malaysia, then first you need to open up your Grab application, tap on Grab, and once you've opened, tap on the payment, which is here on the bottom middle. And once you're here on the payment, you need to activate your Grab Pay wallet. So simply tap on activate. Now tap on let's go, and then you need to enter your full name as in your passport or my CAD. So I'll be entering my name, and then tap on the arrow which is on the bottom right, and now you need to choose your identity document, and you can choose my CAD or you can choose the passport. So you can enter your passport number and then you can tap on submit, and you need to activate your wallet. And once you've activated your wallet, you need to have some money in that wallet. And once you've created your wallet, now you can simply tap on the send, and you'll be able to add a payment. So make a payment to the account that you would like to pay. So that's how you can transfer money from Grab to bank account Malaysia. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.